This video is not CGI or a visual effect. It actually shows how dangerous the downward airflow from a rotor can be. The V-22 Osprey's downwash can be stronger than a storm, capable of knocking over people and even trees, posing a serious risk to anything nearby. And the force that sends this box flying is also from an Osprey. Weighing even more than a Chinook, this 15-ton aircraft has to generate tremendous lift to stay in the air. That massive power creates a sandstorm-like effect on the ground, posing serious dangers both to the aircraft and to the personnel underneath it.